I've been teasing you with the IBM 5150 restoration journey already, so today I will give you this short teaser about the original 5150 CGA CRT screen. I hooked it up to my IBM PC Portable 5160 as the 5150 PC is still inoperable. Hold your breath, I'm about to turn it on now. Well, the good thing is, I get a picture on the external display, it seems to work at last. The bad thing is, I have no idea at all why it just continuously scrolls down.
Well, not really as I had expected, but hey, it's not totally dead either. To be continued.